Thank you for your purchase of Funride Garffy 3-in-1 Ride-On. This ride-on comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, storage under seat, footrest, parental handle control. This beautiful car can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body and insert front fork complete to main body. In the next step, place steering to front fork complete. Fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. Now attach backrest to the main body. It's time to put 2 AAA batteries to deactivate music. Fit the handrest with the backrest at 180 degrees on both sides. You can easily lock it with steering just by pushing it a little. In the final step, fit parental handle to the backrest with the help of push button on the handle. Your beautiful Garffy 3-in-1 Ride-On is now ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.